Welcome to Best Productly.
Best Ring Video Doorbell Plus 2026. Thinking about upgrading your home security in 2026? In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the Best Ring Video Doorbell Plus and why it is becoming one of the most talked about smart home devices right now. Home safety is no longer just about locks.
Top 1.
Ring Wired Doorbell Plus. Ring Wired Doorbell Plus is a modern home security option designed for people who want better control over their front entrance. Home safety has become more important as daily life includes frequent deliveries, visitors, and online shopping activity. Many users now prefer smart solutions that help them stay aware of what happens outside their door in real time. Homes, apartments, and small offices often need a reliable way to manage entry points without depending only on traditional security methods. This device supports clearer awareness of visitors.
Top 2.
Ring Spotlight Cam Plus Battery. Monitoring property becomes easier with the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus battery, designed for flexible placement without wiring limits. It supports clear viewing during day and night, helping homeowners observe surroundings from different angles in real time. Outdoor coverage improves awareness around doors, yards, and driveways while maintaining steady performance in changing weather conditions. Alerts are sent quickly when movement is detected, allowing faster response and better peace of mind for families. Battery-powered design reduces installation effort, making
Top 3.
Ring Battery Doorbell Pro. Ring Battery Doorbell Pro is a modern home security solution designed for people who want better awareness of activity at their front door. Daily life has become more connected, and homes now receive frequent visitors, deliveries, and service arrivals. Many users prefer smart safety tools that help them stay informed about what is happening outside their home in real time. Homes, apartments, and rental spaces often need flexible security options that do not depend on complex wiring setups. This type of doorbell system supports easier monitoring of entry areas while improving everyday convenience for residents. It is commonly chosen by users who want a practical upgrade for entrance safety without changing existing home.
Top 4.
All-new Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. The all-new Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is built for modern homes where safety and awareness matter in daily life. People today receive frequent deliveries, guests, and service visits, so keeping track of front door activity has become more important than before. Many users now prefer smart solutions that help them stay informed without needing to be physically near the entrance. Homes, apartments, and rental spaces often need simple security support that works without complicated installation. This doorbell option fits well for users who want better control over entry monitoring while keeping their living space organized. It supports a more connected lifestyle where communication and awareness.
Top 5.
Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus. Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus is designed for people who want stronger outdoor awareness and better control over home surroundings. Modern living includes frequent movement near houses, whether it is visitors, deliveries, or unexpected activity. Many users now look for smart security solutions that help them stay informed about what happens outside their property. Homes, garages, driveways, and outdoor spaces often need reliable monitoring support to improve overall safety. This type of system is commonly used by homeowners who want clearer visibility around entry points and open areas. It helps create a more connected environment where outdoor activity can be observed more easily at any time. Families and property owners benefit.
The link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.